Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can fix the 3 app limit with Sideloadly on iOS 18. We will be using Sparsebox. Sparsebox is completely free and it is an on-device toolbox which also allows you to fix the 3 app limit. We will be installing Sparsebox and setting it up for the same. This video is for educational and research purposes, so please use it responsibly. This method should work on iOS 18.1 beta 4 and lower. Now to begin, we will first of all prepare our device. So I have this iPhone 12 which is indeed on iOS 18.0.1. You will need these two apps. You can see them on the home screen. You can easily get them completely free from the App Store, as you can see it right here. And the second one is iZip. Now simply open iZip once so that it can create the iZip folder in the Files app in Downloads. The next step is to install iTunes on your Windows PC. You can use the official Apple's website and get iTunes. Now simply go to the official GitHub page for Sparsebox. Simply scroll down and you will see this title link. From there, get this zip file and right click and then extract all, then extract. You will get this folder and you will get the IPA for Sparsebox. Now you can open Sideloadly. Simply connect your device via USB, then select the IPA from here, alright, and then hit open. Now here, simply type in your Apple ID, any Apple ID will work. Then hit start to install Sparsebox. Now make sure that you can open it. For this, go to settings, go to privacy and security, scroll all the way down and make sure developer mode is on. You can simply tap on it and turn it on. You will only see developer mode here once the app is installed. Go back, go to general, scroll all the way down to device management, and from here trust this app. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected before you do so. Now you can open Sparsebox. The next step is to get the pairing file to your device. Now to get the pairing file, simply head to the official website for Sidestore and you will find this Jitterbug pair right here under get started. You can simply get Jitterbug pair to your PC, right click, extract all, and you will get this folder. Simply open the Jitterbug pair folder. Before you do so, please make sure that a passcode is set on your device. Now connect your device via USB, then open Jitterbug pair, simply double click. You will see this message on your device. Hit trust, put in your passcode, again open Jitterbug pair, and you will get this pairing file. Now to transfer the pairing file to our device, we will be using iTunes. Now simply connect your device via USB to iTunes, then go to file sharing. You'll see iZip here. Simply hit on add file. Now simply select the pairing file you just got from your device, then hit open and it will copy this pairing file to the iZip to your device. Now simply get back to your device, go to the Files app, go to Downloads, you will see iZip here. Now simply press and hold on the pairing file you just got from your PC, hit on move, then simply move it to Downloads. You can see the file is right here. Now again open the official website for Sidestore, hit on get started, hit just one, the Downloads instead, and from there get the Sidestore config, as you can see it right here. Hit on download, go back, then open this app, hit on add button, then create from file, then select the config file we just got, allow, then simply turn it on. Now open Sparsebox, then hit select pairing file, select the pairing file you just got, and then hit this 3 app limit button. You can see it worked. Once successful, you will see restore successful. Now you will be able to install more than 3 apps using Sideloadly. Alright, as you can see, to save your time, we already have 3 apps, Sparsebox, and by the way, this one is just a placeholder for Cydia. It is not a working Cydia. And we have Dopamine. Alright, now I will try to install 2 more apps. Alright, so let's quickly do this. We will try to install Freya. We have done and the app is now installed. I can open it without any issues. Now let's install another one. I will try to install OS. You can see it done here and the app is on device. Now we have 5 apps and you can see I can open them without any problem. They open up just fine. Alright, before we end the video, a little troubleshooting. So even after Sparsebox shows you that restore was successful, sometimes the 3 app limit is not fixed. What you will do is open this app again, turn Sidestore off from here, then turn it back on, then open app switcher, simply close Sparsebox, open it again, and then use the 3 app limit fix feature from here. Let the process finish and then try to install more than 3 apps and it will work for you. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.